What's up, Ram fam? Today I'm going to be swapping this emblem, the OEM emblem, with this emblem. I know they look the same, but this one has a little more swagger. Check this out. So you might say to yourself, why is he putting the same emblem on? Well, I like to stay kind of original, and Johnny Bullington from LED Innovations sent me this. I purchased it off his website, and this one has little LED lights for eyes, and it's pretty cool. I'm going to do an installation on this, and obviously plug it in and show you how it works. I'm not going to tell you the color yet. We'll wait till it's plugged in, and at the end of the video I'll show you what color I got. Alright, so here's the emblem with the lights I got from Johnny Bullington. Little LED lights in there, comes in a wire. Now I'll show you guys where I'll wire it in. So the first step is to remove your stock OEM emblem. It's really simple. This is probably one of the easiest emblems to remove off your truck. But this one's really easy. This has tabs in the back. There's 4 tabs. And it pushes out pretty simple. And what I use is either plastic shims or a plastic plate knife that I cut. And as you push the tabs out, you put this behind it, and there's a little piece of adhesive about 1 inch by 1.5 inches, vertical rectangle in the back. I'll put the camera up, maybe right around here, to show you how I do it. Again, in the back, you get 4 tabs. There's one on the top, right there, one on the bottom, there's a tab on the left, and there's a tab on the right. If you look closely, the top one lifts up, the right and the left lift up, and the bottom goes down. So you start with the top, get a wedge behind it, do the left and the right, get your other wedge behind it, and when this is open a little bit, you'll see a little piece of double stick tape in there, and it just pops off. But you want to push your tabs out as you go so you don't break the tabs. You want to save this just in case you want to either put it back or sell it. Do whatever you want with it. So, top tab. Left tab. Got my little plastic wedge so you don't damage your chrome. And the right tab. Another wedge in there. And as it's pried out, you'll see double stick tape in there. So as you pry it, let those drop, it'll break loose. Now that the top's out, push the bottom tab down. There you go. And there's your double stick tape. That's the only thing that'll hold it in once the tabs are out. That's it. Now some of you might have taken out the whole grill. You don't have to. There's plenty of space. At least my truck has plenty of space up here where you can reach your arm in and push the tabs out. So that's it. It's off. That adhesive came off. Very nice. Get a little bit here. Just gotta take off with your fingers. Get some paint thinner or denatured alcohol and get the rest off. So I'm going to drill a 3/16 inch hole here in the indentation. Nice and easy like, because it's plastic. I started with an 1/8 inch hole. It wasn't big enough, so I went 3/16. So after you do your 3/16 hole, you got a little nubby right here that might be in the way of the wire. So I'm going to drill that down a little bit to get rid of it with a 1/2 inch drill bit. There you go, nubby's gone. Now the back of the wire can sit in there and have some room. Feed the wire through my little 3/16 inch hole. Get my hand down there and pull it through. So the emblem comes with a double stick tape. You unpeel that. I'm going to pull the wire through at the same time and stick this back on and put the tabs through where they were on the original one. I mean, that's pretty simple. All right, Emblem's in. I gotta wire it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna wire it yet. But you know what? I haven't seen Rojee in a while. Why don't we time warp down to Village Garage in the Cape? I think we should. Absolutely. I want to bother Rojee. We should bother him. Little surprise visit to Rojee's garage. Rojee. Rojee. Rojee? Let's do this. Time warp, baby. Hold on to your seats, kid. Whew! We made it, man. We're at Village Garage. We are in Cape Cod, Marston Mills, Cape Cod. It's really dark, but who cares? Okay, so, Mark! Rojee! I'm looking for Rojee. He doesn't know we're here. Rojee! Rojee! Dude,
What's up?
Why do you have a Chevy and a BMW? Dude, what's up, brother?
Dude, get out of here.
What's up?
Get out of here, bro.
What do you mean get out of
You
here?
ain't cool anymore.
Why aren't we cool?
Because
Why not?
I don't like you.
Wow.
Shitbox.
At least you're working on a Ram. Rojee's just being shy. What's up, kid? Don't touch my truck, bro.
Dude, I'm wiring your stupid ass.
I came by in warp speed to have Rojee wire my Emblem from LED Innovations. See those little light
Who
bulbs?
else would you want to wire it?
We're here to wire this thing, make it light up. What's up, bro? He's not. Customer service isn't so good. He's just like, let's just do this work.
I'm just looking at what we need to do.
Yeah. Don't touch my fuse pod, bro. All right, so what we're gonna do is wire these two LED lights from the Emblem to the. What's up, bro? You got something to say? What?
That fresh press.
Do your mouth.
Fuck you.
Wow. See what I have to deal with? See what I have to deal with?
I'm gonna key your truck in here for sure.
Oh my god, I can't do this anymore. I can't.
Yeah.
What is that? 99 Ram? Dodge Ram?
07.
07?
6.7 Cummins, baby.
Yeah, 6.7.
First one that you
Things.
go with.
Oh yeah, it's not rusting at all.
Huh?
Huh? Let's do another fact. Oh, what's happening? Here's another Nantucket effect, kid. You can have a party of your own on the light ship Nantucket.
You have no friends.
Well, there's another Nantucket fact
Bro,
that you
you
won't get anywhere else but Nantucket Nectars. You're welcome. All right, so we ran the wire, the solid red wire, to this fuse right here. Fuse 30-30-10.
Let me tell you what fuse that is.
All right, we grounded it at a local ground. There you go, baby. That's sexy right there. Hot damn, man.